Why does your scanner show the P2188 engine code? What does it mean? P2188 is a diagnostic trouble code for System 2, rich at idle bank 1. It indicates that the engine is running too rich while idling. This DTC is set by the vehicle's computer when it detects a problem with the air-fuel ratio. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Fuel system issues, exhaust system issues, airflow issues, sensor issues, vacuum issues, intake manifold issues, spark plug issues, fuel quality issues, powertrain control module, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. It mostly occurs in various European makes, particularly in Volkswagen, Audi, and BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.